Hello guys, here's Adam from ESA. Today I'm coming to LEDIKA Fly Case and Stage Truss Limited Corporation. Our company was established in 2001, which is the leading manufacturers and the traders in truss systems and stage equipment in Guangzhou, Nansha. What's more, our company also provides a reliable guarantee for improving the product's quality. And in this part, I will show you our factory to you. So without further ado, let's go and see it.
LEDIKA specializes in the development and the production of circle chess, folding chess, ghost square boat chess, and etc. All products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. Complete site area is 1,714 square meters. The complete main sales countries are Southeast Asian and African countries, and there will also be some Middle Eastern countries. There are domestic and foreign sales departments, and start to do domestic leasing trust since 2008. Leading the industry to open the leasing market.
As you can see that there are different kinds of products in here. And in this part, I will invite our foreign sales staff, Sunny, to introduce more details of our products to you.
Hello guys, my name is Sunny. Now let me introduce our product. We have Spigot truss and boat truss. These are Spigot truss accessories. This is joint, pin, and arbuckle. So let me show you the truss installation method. Finish. This is boat truss. This is boat truss accessories. Use screw to connect other truss. The color is silver. We can custom other colors like gold, black, green, or red. What's more, these are square truss. We can custom other shapes truss like triangle truss, circle truss, star truss, and so on.
And this is our factory manager, Mr. He. Even though he don't know how to speak English, but he is a very experienced staff of our company, which has 18 years experience in this industry. That's so unbelievable, right? Apart from this, he also responsible for leading a various technical team of our company in all over the world. And the next part, let's welcome Mr. He to introduce our company development history to you.
Hello， 我叫贺胜华，来到LEDIKA 10多年了，因为贵公司成立22年了，我主要是负责于生产和技术这一块。我们生产呢，这个工程呢，主要是以北京奥运会和亚运会这些项目，国外的呢有卡塔尔、有加纳、新西兰这些国家工程，